Rich people love to show off their wealth, drive the flashiest cars, live in the fanciest houses, and display their wealth to everyone around them. They have a lot of money and they want everyone to know how much status and influence they have, or do they? We are led to believe that most successful people live lavish lifestyles, but that's not always the case. Many wealthy people actually live modestly and well within their means. In the book The Millionaire Next Door, The Surprising Secrets of America's Wealthy by Thomas J. Stanley and William D. Danko, the authors were surprised to discover that real millionaires aren't anything like what people would stereotypically imagine. The movies and modern day marketing lead you to think that wealthy people own designer clothes, fancy watches and jewellery, drive flashy cars and live in expensive luxury houses. But the reality is completely different. The authors found that the typical millionaires did not stand out. They were generally self-employed professionals or small business owners of blue-collar, boring services like plumbing contractors, farm operators and pest control businesses, etc. The families live well below their means, wear inexpensive clothes, drive reliable American-made cars, often buying second-hand and keeping them for long periods of time. They live in modest homes that they can comfortably afford. It's understandable that to accumulate large amounts of wealth, you either need to have a really big income or be frugal, or even better, do both. I have noticed that in the FIRE movement, there seems to be a trend that many of them seem to practice a concept that is called stealth wealth, even when they have achieved financial independence and could easily start spending a bit more lavishly and flaunting their wealth a little. The only reason people suspect that they are wealthy is because they no longer are forced to dedicate their life to working for a paycheck. What is stealth wealth? Stealth wealth is the practice of concealing your wealth and net worth from others. While some people like to flaunt their wealth, others prefer to do their best to hide it. Basically, when someone has a large amount of wealth but doesn't appear to be rich at first glance, they are practicing stealth wealth. Stealth wealth is the tech entrepreneur that rocks up in hoodies and trainers instead of suits and a Rolex, or the billionaire that gets a McDonald's for breakfast every day. Wait, maybe that's just Warren Buffett. So why would anyone do this? Practicing stealth wealth protects you from a number of negatives of being rich. Less pressure to consume. You won't feel pressure to keep up appearances. If you flaunt your wealth, you'll quickly find yourself being surrounded with people that roll in the same circles. This leads to the classic keeping up with the Joneses mentality. If you suddenly stop spending, people will begin to talk behind your back. The social comparison process is a never-ending pursuit because there is always someone higher up on the ladder. The best way to avoid this situation is to not get involved in it in the first place. Building and maintaining true relationships. How many times have you seen someone and thought something like, I bet they only have that nice car because their parents are rich and bought it for them. Or they are rich, so they are probably snobs, etc. We tell ourselves these stories about people all the time, and these assumptions are deeply embedded in society. When you are rich, you will never truly know if people genuinely like you or if they like the money and status you have more. Practicing stealth wealth allows you to know that the people that are in your circle of friends are there because they care, not because they think they can get something from you. People expect you to share the wealth. Imagine what it must be like to win the lottery. At first glance, it would be nice to have the large sum of money. But when you dig a little deeper, it can often put a strain on a lot of people's relationships. All of a sudden, you feel like you should be picking up every tab when you go out, and family and friends expect you to help them out financially. Where does it stop, and how do you know who your real friends are? This can put you in a real predicament socially. By keeping your wealth to yourself, you can pay for things because you want to, not because people expect you to. Approachability and staying humble. We all know or have heard of that person that got a bit of fame or money and overnight turned from a decent person into a douchebag and suddenly became obsessed with money and flaunting it on their social media accounts, etc. If you have been successful and grown wealth, it's a great thing that you have achieved. But don't become that person that acts entitled and looks down upon everyone else because they haven't achieved what they have. Practicing stealth wealth allows you to keep your ego in check and stay down to earth and level-headed. Be humble and always remember where you were when you started out on your journey. Relationships are much more important than money and status in the grand scheme of things in life. And people are drawn much more towards humility and humbleness than egotism and arrogance. Stealth wealth provides the balance between becoming wealthy to allow you to live your best life, whilst helping maintain those all-important relationships. Your life will undoubtedly be a lot easier and more enjoyable by practicing a little bit of stealth wealth.